Hi everyone, welcome at the first social trade fair here at Flower Factor. I'm going to show you something cool with these beautiful Phalaenopsis plants. They're really huge. They also won an award in Holland, Glass Tulip Award, translated the Glass Tulip Award for Best Novelty. And I'm going to show what you can do with it. Put some tape on the top of the vase. Hot glue and glass is not connecting really well, so if I put the tape on, I can connect it very good. We're going to start off at the bottom and work our way up. Make sure you have enough glue. The nice thing about this bark, it has a lot of layers, so if it's too thick you can split it easy either with your hands or using a knife. So it's a very simple way of creating something cool with basically a normal simple vase. So we have it round, we have a nice part going on top of the vase. What we're now going to do is make a little connection between outside and inside. And just randomly put it in, because the more random you put it in, probably the best effect, and it's also easy and quick and fast. We're going to check if it will fit in exactly like this. And this already is a really cool look and feel, really robust and strong. We're going to add a little bit more bark and we're going to try to place that between the flowers. I'm going to use this binding wire and very simply I'm going to slide the end between the drill, making a little corner like this, and then automatically it will be grabbed by the drill. Take it out, we have the little end, we can turn it together, and then we're going to cut it. Going to do that about 4 or 5 sticks. So we have our sticks, we have our pieces of bark. You can use a drill, but the bark is really soft, so I'm just going to use the tip of my knife to make a little incision like this. And as you can see, we have the points of the stick, and then you can easily push it in and then it's connected. I can also use the sticks to style the individual branches a little bit. And then you have a really cool, strong, powerful floral creation with the beautiful Phalaenopsis. So I hope you enjoyed this design. I hope you got a little bit inspired by it. And of course, we would love to see your version of something like this. And see you next time.